Hi, this is Caroline from Sewcanshe.com, and this is studio chat number 15. I just wanted to show you this tiny tote that I made this week. Now, you have probably already seen and maybe even made the tiny tote tutorial and free pattern that is on my blog, but this, my friends, is the tiny tote designer style. Yes, I used the techniques that I shared with you in my free video class for making designer zipper bags. I used that exact same process with a little bit different dimensions and with straps and with pockets to make this tiny tote bag. You might have already made the tiny tote bag pattern that's free on my blog, and this is the exact same dimensions. I just used the techniques for my designer zipper bag class. So this is a whole lot of fun. I showed this on my blog today for Show Off Saturday, and I'm going to share another tutorial, which I'm sure you could probably figure it out if you just watched the designer zipper bag class and then took the tiny tote pattern and just mixed them all together. So I'm sure you could figure it out, but I'm gonna put it all together for you and put it in a blog post so there won't be any confusion, and that will be coming soon. And also, I hope you saw the Scrapyard Tote that I had on my blog last Saturday. The Scrapyard Tote free tutorial is already on my blog. I used 32 charm squares. These were cotton and steel charm squares, and it is so much fun. You could use your scraps. You could cut up 32 5-inch squares to make this, or just cut up a whole lot of strips. So visit my blog and search for the Scrapyard Tote, or I'll leave a link to that too. So come on, ladies, let's make some tote bags. What?
They're not all ladies.
Oh yeah, they are. So come on, ladies, let's make some tote bags. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the studio chat or any of the tutorials that I post. Have a great weekend.
I'm leaving that part in.